What's going on, people? Today we took QQQ puts. The market gapped up overnight. It was a crazy gap up. So pretty much the market went from 581 Friday to highs of 595 today. And it hit that 595 level twice and rejected, came down. So, after a $13, $14 run up, I was looking at puts, which I made clear in the small account challenge tab. And it was pretty simple, honestly. Now, if you look at the 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart, you will see that we were overextended. We need to come down a bit, test the EMAs, get a retest of those levels before we push up again. And that's exactly what happened. Now, our contracts only cost $125. At lows, they dropped to $95. And they ended up running up all the way to $750. So when you have, a contract that you buy for $125 or $150, or even if you buy it, you got in late or after the drop began and you get in at, let's say you got in at $200. When those contracts now hit $755, you're making some good money. There's no place in the world where you can put $200 in and come out with $755 within probably what was an hour. So yeah, 8 o'clock my time is around when I got in, and 8:30 my time is when the drop started happening, and 9:30, just before 9:30 is where the drop hit the lows for the day. So it was a great trade. If you trade with me regularly, you kind of know how things go. You kind of know how things go. And that's exactly what happened today. So once again, huge shout out to all of those of you that, took the trades. We're still live trading right now, by the way. But yeah, those of you who took the trade with me, we made some good money. Some people's account was blessed today. They up 5K on a day, 3,000 on a day. There's so much happening, right now in the Discord, and I think it's just another way to say, hey, if you're not started trading yet, you should start trading. These are the opportunities that the market will present. So today was actually the first day after the meetup. We had a great meetup, 4 days of fun, hanging out, partying, drinking, turning up, getting to know each other, connecting, all that kind of stuff, and a lot more. Today was the first day, but you see that we're straight back to it, straight back to the work, straight back to the business, straight back to focusing on the long-term goal, which is to be financially free. So, we work hard, we play hard, and we get back to work straight away. We do what we do, and, we keep making money. So yeah, last thing I'll say is if you didn't come to this meetup, come to the next one. And you should, because you will find out a lot more about a lot of the people you're working with every day, and you're going to find out a lot more about yourself. You're in a similar position to other people. People that came to meetup were, feeling a bit down, feeling bad, or they've had a hard week. They came, just got all of that off their mind, started making money with us, started enjoying the weekend, those kind of things. Friday we live traded together, and next time we're going to live trade together a couple more days. Yeah, new traders made money today, old traders made money today, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I just want to say again, if you're not into trading already, get into it. The amount of things that this has done for me and others is really life-changing, and I just think that it's just a great opportunity, especially in this economy that we're in. So yeah, that's it, folks. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you look out for the RTA vlog as well. That meetup was great, and we're going to make sure that we put a little vlog together. So yeah, that's the content. Peace.